welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing fine. If you are new to my channel, my name is Temi and you're welcome to Temi Best World. For my subscribers, you are welcome us back again to my channel. Thank you for your support, your baby girl. Always, thank you so much. In today's video, I'm going out. Then later, we are going to cook together. We prepare dinner together. I'm going to carry guests along with me. You know now, yeah. So let's go. Hi guys, so I'm out. I'm going to supermarket. You'll be like, why am I going to supermarket every time? It's because we're at supermarket near our site, so that is why I just feel like, I just go and get some stuff because my baby's food is about to finish, especially her milk. She don't have any milk anymore. Let me leave here first. So our milk is finished already. Yeah, I think it's okay like this. I'm here already. I'm at the market. So I think I'm done buying. I want to go and pay now. Then we're going home. Yeah. So let me pay very nice. Let me do self-service. We spent 17. Okay. Okay. I'm going home. Yeah, I'm done buying. I'm going home. Let me show you guys what I look like. Yeah, although I didn't do anything, I just love this free gown because it's summer. So this is a baby girl. Yeah. Anytime if I not carry children with me, I'll be feeling myself like went to supermarket just because of these things. Can you imagine? What you don't have, you got it, yeah. So I got this chamomile. Yeah, it's for baby. If you want your baby to relax, like maybe your baby is not sleeping well, you want the baby to quick get to bed. Yeah, this chamomile is so good for babies. This milk my baby is taking. If you can't get this, go for this Aptamil. So I just started giving her milk not that long. I think I started giving her this milk last week. Yeah. So I went out later to get this stuff because I was like, what are you going to take for dinner this night? So I went out and get this. This is mushroom. This is meat. And I love these spring onions. Like, when the food is about to do, just put it there. So this is carrots, bell pepper. So I forgot. I don't want to forget this. This is chicken. No, it's turkey. Yeah, this is turkey too. So I'm going to cook 2 spaghetti. Yeah, I'm not going to boil this. I'm just going to roast it. Yeah, this baby. So I'm going to roast it. So let's go. unfortunately. So I'm going to set this aside. So I've washed everything.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay here, then I would stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be our best together. There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay here, I would stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be our best together. No place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay here, I would stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be our best together. No place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see
So this is the outcome of our dinner. Thank you guys for coming in once again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys on my next video. Bye.
If I could stay.